Okay, a student concluded that liquids have higher molecular masses boil at, okay, you can't see it. Let's move this over here. So we're working on number 11. A student concluded this, and we don't like all these words, so why read them all? Let's do our little questions. So I don't like words. If you don't like words, you're probably my friend, okay? So number 1. Where are we looking? Where are we looking? Okay, so, immediately I've got a number down here, so my eyes are drawn to that, and it's table 1. Okay, when we have a capitalized letter and a number, that's probably going to be my where. So when we think about where, look for the capitalized letters and the numbers getting mixed into one kind of smorgasbord. Okay, so that's where our where is, table 1 and figure 1. Okay, that's good enough for that right now. Let's talk about our second question. What are we looking for? Okay, so now let's look at our what are we looking for. So liquids, we could do liquids, molecular masses. So when we're looking for what we're looking for, it's scientific words. So like this word is just a boring word. I don't care about that word, right? It doesn't confuse me. So words that confuse you, that's a good idea of what you're looking for, okay? If some of these words are confusing to you, it's probably going to be good, okay? They might be attached to a word that is not confusing. So like lower and then molecular mass, okay? I don't really know. Maybe you don't know exactly what molecular mass is, but you'll be able to find that same word over here. So whether you know what it is or not, that doesn't matter. They could throw some ridiculous stuff at you that I don't even know about. But what's important is when it's a weird word, you need to look at that weird word and circle it and make sure if it's over here that you're matching up the logic between the two. Okay, so molecular mass, higher temperatures. So temperature, liquids that are lower. Okay, so higher, so lower molecular mass. So my looking for is molecular mass. High molecular mass means high boiling temperature, right? Low molecular mass is low boiling temperature, okay? So who knows what a molecular mass is, okay? I kind of know, but you might not. But who cares? So let's go over here to where we're looking. So where we're looking is table 1 and figure 1. Table 1 and figure 1. Table 1 and figure 1. And then what we're looking for is if we have a high got a molecular mass. Let's find that word on the page. Okay, I'll give you a second to find that word. Where on my passage is molecular mass? Okay, right there. So if we have a high molecular mass, is it bigger? Okay, so we've got higher molecular mass, and now we know that these are getting bigger, right? The higher molecular mass, right? So now we've got to see if this arrow is in the same as our trend. Okay, so molecular mass increases, does the boiling temperature increase? So let's look at pentane first. Pentase is the lower one. So let's see, pentane is lower. Okay, so it's the lowest one. Okay, maybe we're going to draw an arrow. Maybe we're going to draw an arrow in our mind between these different ones. So hexane. So then look at the next one, hexane. All right, it's a little bit bigger. Okay, and the boiling point is more. Okay? Heptane. Heptane. Heptane is right there. And it's bigger. Okay? So now that means that one's going to have a bigger boiling point. Okay, so you see how the boiling point is going bigger and bigger? So we could draw, guess what? We could draw a trend arrow, not on our table, but now on our figure. So as molecular mass increases, the boiling point increasing. You see how we've got our smallest number over here and our largest number over here. We've got our smallest number here and our largest number here, okay? They are increasing, okay? So as this one increases, this is increasing, okay? So we would say, yes. We would say yes to this. So, we can automatically, since we're going to agree with this person, we're going to cross out our no's, and now we're going to focus on our words, our keywords, okay? If you don't like words, you're probably my friend. So now, when we go to these words, there's too many words here, right? This is not the reading part of the ACT. Why'd they put all these words on here? Because they want to confuse us. Okay, well, let's just prove them wrong. Okay, so yes, that's a keyword because it's different from these answers up here that we crossed out. And then let's find, all right, here's one right there, okay? Those are two words, okay? So what I was doing when I was reading these two, I was looking up and down with my eyes. I was looking at this, and this, and this, and this, and this word, and this word, and then this word, and this word, and then I found one. Oh, wow, there's two words that are different, okay? And then I circled them. Now, I know that these two are the same, so those aren't the keywords that I'm going to compare now. I'm going to compare these two words, okay? So now, highest and lowest, okay? The highest molecular mass, does the highest molecular mass have the highest boiling point or the lowest boiling point? So we said this was the trend for the bigger molecular mass. Does it have the highest boiling point? Yes, it has the highest boiling point. So we can cross out this and circle C. Yes, octane has the highest molecular mass and the highest boiling point.